What exactly? What are you doing? What are you doing? What is... You happy? Happy bird. You happy? Happy, 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 happy.
New bath bomb. It doesn't foam like it said it would. Ah!
No more. We'll do some later, yeah? Give me. No more.
What you mean? Oh, how you flip this? Y'all got a whole guard dog. Talk about leave it at the door. What you mean leave it at the door, nigga? I'm not getting out. Working with Amazon, huh? Come on, Jeff. Come on, Jeff. You ain't tell me it was gonna be like this, Jeff. I'm shaking like a motherfucker. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Is you a friendly dog? Like, do you bite? I was just trying to drop off the package. I'll be on my way. Oh, shit. Hell no. Y'all see me? Just in case something bad happened to me, bro.
Weirdo. Oh no. Oh.
Amara? 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 Amara?
Surprise, motherfucker.
Go.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Yeah, you know. You know what time it is. Hi, Gandalf. Good to see you, buddy.
Baby. Oh, two babies. Oh.
Make my mood go south like Tennessee. Make the food come out like who is he?
But one word got said more than any other. After a while, I came to understand the words that mattered.
Kiss.